Ever pondered why the dosage of a medication affects the recovery time from a specific illness? Or why the amount of water given to a plant affects its growth rate? Well, these questions are at the heart of scientific research and can be answered by understanding two key elements: independent and dependent variables. An independent variable, sometimes denoted as X in mathematical equations, is the condition or factor that is deliberately manipulated or changed by the researcher. In the first example, the dosage of medication given is the independent variable. The researcher adjusts this variable in order to observe what effect it has on the dependent variable. So, what's the dependent variable then? It's the variable that is measured or observed in response to changes in the independent variable. It's the outcome or result that the researcher is interested in studying, often denoted as Y in mathematical equations. In our first example, the recovery time from the illness is the dependent variable. It depends on the dosage of medication, or the independent variable. In our second example, the amount of water given to a plant is the independent variable, while the growth rate of the plant is the dependent variable. By adjusting the amount of water, or the independent variable, the researcher can observe how it affects the growth rate or the dependent variable. We also need to mention control variables. These are factors that remain constant throughout the experiment. By controlling these variables, researchers can ensure that any observed effects are due to the independent variable and not to other factors. In summary, the independent variable is the condition that is intentionally changed or manipulated in an experiment, while the dependent variable is the outcome or result that is measured in response. Control variables, on the other hand, are kept constant to ensure that the effects observed are due to the independent variable alone. These three types of variables work together to provide structure and clarity to scientific experiments, allowing researchers to answer complex questions that can have profound impacts on our lives. So the next time you take a pill for a headache or water your favorite plant, remember the roles independent and dependent variables play in understanding these everyday phenomena.
Hey everyone, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much. If you want more, follow us at www.pathforaba.org.